Chase Bank uses multi-factor authentication to protect your account. This security system sends verification codes through SMS text messages, email, or push notifications to confirm your identity when logging in. The authentication process involves multiple steps between your device, Chase's servers, and verification services. When this system works properly, you receive your code within seconds. But several factors can disrupt this process. There are three main categories of issues that can prevent you from receiving verification codes. Technical issues include network connectivity problems, carrier delays that can take up to 15 minutes, and Chase server maintenance periods. Account-related issues occur when your contact information is outdated, when Chase has placed a security hold on your account, or after multiple failed login attempts trigger security measures. Device-specific problems include SMS blocking by your phone or carrier, do not disturb settings that silence notifications, and an insufficient storage space that prevents message delivery. Here are the most effective quick fixes you should try first. These steps resolve the majority of verification code issues. First, wait at least 15 minutes before requesting a new code. SMS delivery can be delayed, and requesting multiple codes can trigger security blocks. Second, ensure you have strong cellular signal strength. Weak signals can prevent SMS messages from being delivered properly. Third, restart your device completely. This refreshes your network connection and clears temporary glitches that might block messages. Fourth, clear your messaging app's cache. Go to your phone settings, find your messaging app, and clear its cache to remove any corrupted data blocking new messages. Fifth, if you're expecting an email verification code, check your spam, junk, and promotions folders. Email filters often misclassify bank security emails. Finally, make sure your Chase app is updated to the latest version and that notifications are enabled. Outdated apps may have compatibility issues with Chase's verification system. These 6 steps resolve approximately 80% of verification code issues. If you're still not receiving codes after trying these solutions, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic fixes don't resolve your Chase verification code issues, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. These deeper solutions address carrier-level problems and account configuration issues. First, contact your mobile carrier directly. They can check if Chase's SMS shortcodes are blocked on your account. Some carriers automatically block promotional messages, which can accidentally include verification codes. Next, verify your phone number format in your Chase account settings. Ensure it includes the correct country code and area code. Even small formatting errors can prevent SMS delivery. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Sometimes network congestion or carrier issues affect one connection type more than the other. This simple switch can resolve delivery problems. For email verification issues, whitelist Chase domains in your email settings. Add both at chase.com and at alerts.chase.com to your safe senders list to ensure verification emails reach your inbox. Clear the Chase app's cache and data, or completely reinstall the application. This resolves corrupted files and ensures you have the latest security updates and verification protocols. Finally, ensure your device's date and time settings are set to automatic. Incorrect timestamps can cause verification codes to be rejected or expire prematurely. Now let's look at how Chase verification is evolving. The banking industry is moving toward more secure and user-friendly authentication methods. Chase is implementing next-generation authentication technologies. These changes will make your banking more secure while reducing dependence on traditional SMS verification. App-based authentication uses push notifications sent directly through the Chase mobile app. This method is more secure than SMS and works even without cellular service when connected to Wi-Fi. Biometric integration allows you to authenticate using your fingerprint or facial recognition. This eliminates the need for codes entirely while providing stronger security than traditional passwords. Passkey implementation represents the future of passwordless authentication. Using cryptographic keys stored securely on your device, passkeys provide both convenience and enhanced security. To prevent verification issues before they occur, follow these proactive maintenance strategies. Regular account maintenance significantly reduces authentication problems. If all troubleshooting methods fail, you have emergency options. Visit any Chase branch with government-issued identification for in-person verification or call Chase customer service for immediate assistance with your account access.